This video is our presentation of Great Western Minerals Group, brought to you by ballplaystocks.com. Great Western trades on the Venture Exchange under ticker GWG. Had this listed as a bottom play, a Canadian stock to watch this week. It's a nice base formed at 27 cents, and even a stronger base at 28. Stock had closed up last Friday on a little increase in volume, and it came right back out on Monday with a strong move upward, up 7%. Another increase in volume to over 670,000 shares traded. RSI looks like the momentum is trying to shift into bull mode. We want to keep an eye on this for continuation off this bottom and look for shifts in trend. I can see that the MACD is starting to trend upward, still a ways away from zero, but in the long term, the dips down to the bottom are slightly higher, and it looks like it's going to try and break through this long-term downtrend. Good signs for a shift in trend for a bottom play. PPO also trending upward over the last month or so. ADX in a great reversal position. Money flow index making higher lows, now pushed to the upper half of the indicator, showing people are starting to pay higher prices to pick this stock up. Accumulation distribution starting to uptrend a little bit. It's actually kind of a positive sign that the AD has held a sideways channel, as the stock price has really been dropping off pretty hard. So it appears that complete interest isn't lost in this stock, and now it's starting to trend upward. That's reiterated by Chaikin money flow, which is making a firm move back towards zero, now back up into the green, saying over the last 20 periods, buying pressure is now outweighing selling pressure. CCI breaking through 100. Technically speaking, that's an official buy signal. Full Stows is still basically in bear chart territory. It needs to get up here above 50 to show that there's strong momentum in the play, but it is approaching that level, and now it's important for it to break through that and to show some further strength to the chart. Tricks, it's a lagging indicator of trend, but it did drop a bullish cross back in the ending part of August. It is now trending slightly back towards zero. As I mentioned, RSI is coming out of oversold. Nice upward trend. 7 and 14 RSIs have both now pushed through 50. Be looking for this 21, the red line, to also push through 50. It's a bullish indication if that happens. Any pullback, you want to see it hold over top of 50, not break back down through it. That's a sign of weakness if that happens. But right now it does have a nice upward trend going, and there certainly appears to be some momentum coming into this stock. So the indicators are looking pretty nice. As I said, bottom support there at 27. Another support level there at 28. And there was a resistance point right there at 30. That stock pushed through yesterday on a nice little gap up and holding the better part of the gains throughout the course of the day. So in a perfect world, this wants to slink back a little bit. Holding over top of 30 would show a lot of strength. But if it did dip lower, I'd really want to see it hold 28, make a higher low, start to establish an upward channel, and try and keep over top of these shorter term moving averages. Now further to the upside, see a little bit more resistance there at 31.5. That's going to be reinforced by this 50-day moving average, which is coming down. It's going to serve as some dynamic resistance. But potentially, if it does break through those two levels, I don't see more resistance really coming into play till up near 36, which gives a real nice upside of nearly 30%. And if that happens, it could indeed be signaling that this is a true bottom for the GWG chart. And just in classic fashion, any pullback, look for higher lows, rotate around, break through that resistance point, make some higher highs, let indicators like the MACD move its way upward, break through zero, go into true bull mode, and keep in mind that I'd see some more resistance coming in around 40 cents. And as the 200-day trickles down, it'll add to that resistance point with some dynamic resistance as well. Overall, though, nice move to come out and start the week, and one worth keeping an eye on for continuing increases in volume and for upward pressure to try and take out some initial resistance points. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the GWG chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allplaystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.